Welcome to MGG Online, the comprehensive web-based music encyclopedia featuring in-depth articles on all aspects of music. This video tutorial demonstrates how to access the content of MGG Online even without knowledge of German. If you are new to MGG Online, consider watching our video MGG Online The Basics first, which is also available on the Realm Resources YouTube channel. MGG Online offers a custom German-English interface. The English interface will appear by default when the site is opened. Click the Translate button on the top center to change the interface language if needed. To translate the encyclopedia content to English or another language supported by Google Translate, use the integrated Google Translate option above. Searching can be done using English terms. When searching for a term in the main search box, it will automatically search for English equivalencies. Let's search for trombone. The correct search results are displayed, although the article titles appear in German. To view the results in English, click on the top Translate menu again and select Google Translate. If the privacy notice appears, you will need to press Yes to continue. The screen will become blurred, and then a pop-up dialog will remind you to look to the top left of the screen to select the preferred language. Now we see the article titles in English, including trombone. Once inside the article viewer, Google Translate will remain in English. To toggle between the original German and English, look to the top left bar and click on the Show Original and Translate buttons. The same translation feature can be accessed within the article via the Globe Translate button in the article menu. Even though machine translations are not perfect, the Google Translate function is a powerful and extremely helpful tool. Some article information doesn't require a translation. Take a look at the article for the songwriter Mabel Wayne and view it in the original German by clicking on Show Original in the Google Translate bar. Even without translation, the following information is available. In the biography section, birth and death dates, marked by asterisks and daggers respectively, offer an authoritative source for these dates. Works lists are best viewed in the original language to see the original titles, and it's the same with bibliographies, called literature in MGG. It's possible to cite an article in one of the standard English language citation formats, such as Chicago or MLA style. Click on the Cite button on the right-hand menu and choose one of several options in the drop-down menu. Then click Generate New Citation. Remember, machine-generated citations are not always perfect. Always double-check citations generated by the Cite button. To print an article section, switch back to English in the top left by clicking Translate. Click the printer icon in the top right article viewer menu. Then click the article section you would like to print in the left side menu. A new tab opens with the article section, but it's in German. It is not possible to print the translated English page because it is not a permanent page. To work around this, copy the translated text and paste it into a Word document or similar for printing. MGG Online has a comprehensive help section in English, accessible by clicking Help in the top bar. If you have any questions that are not answered in the Help section, contact a librarian at your institution or go to the Contact section and fill out the technical question form. Thank you for taking the time to review some of MGG Online's features. If you are interested in learning more about our encyclopedia, please contact us at mgg-info@realm.org.